Second time firing weapon from Gander Mountain today. First round from the first video you saw, the first round didn't fire. Ejected the shell, and it did. So I'm going to start back over. Got 3 in the clip. I'm going to load it, throw another one in the clip. We're going to see what happens. So now the weapon's loaded, just adding another one to the clip. See, now 2 shot, cycled out. Third one right now, I just pulled the trigger and nothing happened. Pulled the trigger, nothing happened.